is now on this set live, DJ Costa.
Like